Before we get started, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Could we finally be seeing a bullish reversal in the stock market? If you are a trader or investor in the market, it is very likely that you noticed the positive gains today. The only question is if this trend will continue on as the week goes forwards. The uncertainty in the market has been portrayed by the previous sell-off reflected in about the last 3 months. Despite the current volatility, there is still a chance that this positive trend will continue upwards. One of the stocks on our watch list is Nvidia. Nvidia is known for its manufacturing of integrated circuits and graphics processing units which are used in many items such as personal computers and gaming consoles. This company is said to have great long-term potential and generally low risk. If you prefer to be a day trader, you will want to stay disciplined when trading in the current market conditions. A general rule of thumb for new options traders is to start your account size with an amount of money you would be comfortable losing. Once you've considered the amount, you should only risk about 20% of your account size in the beginning. As you start to develop a strategy and notice patterns from chart observations, you will increase your profitability. The second stock on our watch list is a company that many are familiar with, Netflix. Netflix has been affected by a recent sell-off. However, it is a company that won't be going away anytime soon. The stock saw a recent gain today of just over 11%. Call options on the Netflix stock with sooner expiration dates saw gains of over 1,000%. Imagine being able to turn $1,000 into $10,000. If you get lucky on a stock options trade, the results can be great. However, there is also more risk involved compared to simply investing in the market alone. As they say goes in life, with great risk comes great rewards. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below.